Introducing the Prestige R2, a compact yet powerful dual-head DTF roll-to-roll printer. The Prestige R2 prints beautiful full CMYKW images up to 13 inches wide. Having two printheads allows the R2 to have print speeds up to 27 square feet an hour. A printer is only as good as the features to keep it printing. That is why we included a head strike sensor to prevent heavy damage on the printhead, a front heat platen to remove moisture and increase the amount of perfect transfers, air suction vents to keep the film secure, straight, and out of the way of the printhead. If you are looking for a high-speed but compact production DTF printer for your small retail shop or home business with limited space, or you are an existing DTF printer owner who needs a boost in production, or a new business owner who needs production quality at a low investment risk, then the Prestige R2 is the answer you have been looking for.